This is part 4 of the Chapter 3 project, Calorie Conversion.
Major overhauls in 2010 of the United States healthcare system, including Obamacare, had major businesses that sell food and meals have to have calorie counts on their menus. Since we're trying to do a bakery business plan with this particular project, we will use conversion to count calories in all of our recipes. Now, some of your recipes already came with calorie counts, but we're going to use conversion factors and dimensional analysis to create our calorie counts for this particular project.
So your assignment for this part is as follows. The first thing you're going to do is watch lesson 3-3 on unit conversion. Next, you're going to use resources and find your calorie conversions for all ingredients in your recipes. The easiest resource to use is Google. Convert all of your ingredient calorie counts on paper using dimensional analysis and show to your classroom teacher. Then, in Office 365, you're going to open a Word document. You're going to search for a menu template, and you can choose any one that you want to use. You're going to create a menu that displays your calorie counts per serving with a complete breakdown of where the calories came from. You need to have a page for each of your recipes. A demonstration of what to do will be coming on the next slide.
So we're on to part 4, and we're going to talk about how to create the menu for what you're going to be doing. So the first thing you have to do is click onto Microsoft Word in Office 365. And if mine's asking me to sign in my account, if it does that, you'll just be doing what you're supposed to be doing here. Most likely yours will just come up. Sorry for the delay. So now when Word Online comes up as such, what we're going to be doing is we want to look for a template that we can use. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll notice that there are no templates for you to use in terms of a menu. But if you go to see more templates, this will come up, and you want to browse by products for Word because we want to be working in Office 365 Word. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that as you go down, they actually have a tab for menus. So when you click on that tab on the left-hand side here, now you have a plethora of options that you can choose from. And you can choose any one you'd like. So let's just say you wanted to choose this one, the formal event menu. Now once you click on that, you'll then click on over here, Edit in Browser. And it's going to tell you that it will be saved in your OneDrive for Business, which is exactly what you want. So you'll continue. And now you have your template here as it comes up. So as it comes up, obviously there's some things that we're going to need to change. As you can see on the menu that it has something for a starter and a main course. That's not what we need here. What we need is for it to have calorie counts. So basically what I want to do in the menu title is, and it already has that's why I like this one, that it already has like different fonts and stuff done for you. I can backspace and I can type my first recipe. Okay. So now I don't need the starter part, but I do need to title some different things. So, for example, the first thing I might put is overall
calories per serving. And if you figured out that your overall calories per serving is 300 calories, you would put that here. So now, in the starter item spot, that's where I would start putting my ingredients. So, like, for example, all-purpose flour. In the description portion below, you could put the number of calories in the 300 that are towards the all-purpose flour. So let's say 65 of the calories are because of the all-purpose flour. Okay? So then, do the next one. So the next one is baking soda. And you figured out that the baking soda adds 10 calories to the recipe, so on and so forth. Now, I'd recommend doing the entire first recipe and then copying and pasting after a page break to do your second recipe, do another page break, and then doing your third recipe with a copy and paste so that you have the format right away. Because there are things you're going to have to get rid of. For example, we do have to get rid of this main course tab. When we do that, that brings these up, but you don't have to get rid of this. You can use it as your next ingredient part. So, like eggs. Okay, and the description for the eggs is that it contributes to 25 of the calories. So you would continue to go down as far as that. And remember that you do have to make 3 of the sheets. And please make sure you put a page break in between each of the sheets.